Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So I've got a pot of water, but only about 1 centimetre, so half an inch deep in there up to a rapid boil. I've salted the water really generously and I'm just going to get my broccoli in. So 2 large heads of broccoli that I've just chopped into bite size and sliced the stems. And then we're going to get the lid on. I'm just going to let it boil for about 5 minutes. I had 5 minutes and it's beautiful and bright green and tender. I'm going to drain it. So I'm going to get pan back on the heat after I've drained the broccoli. I've got about 4 tablespoons of butter there. And then I've got a couple of small cans of mackerel. You could use any canned fish you like. Sardines are good, I love, or tuna. We could even use salmon if you wanted. A punnet, so about 250 grams, which is half a pound of cherry tomatoes that I've just sliced up. And then some olives, so about half a cup of pitted black olives, just chopped up a bit. And then 1 small, I'm using a Thai bird's eye chili, but you can use any sort of chili peppers or some dried chili flakes if you want just something to give it a little bit of heat. I'm just using 1 because I want some subtle heat today, but not, I don't want to burn my mouth off. So just get that in the pan and just get it to start cooking down just for a couple of minutes. I don't really want it to be super cooked, for the tomatoes to really break down. I want to keep them to keep some texture. So really you just want to warm everything up. So when the broccoli's, make sure you've drained it well, just toss it in. And then taste and season. You might need some salt, or you've got the canned fish and the olives that are going to be adding a lot of brininess. And then you're good to serve. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.